Every now and then I go on Facebook and I see a comment that really touches me and really hits home. And I just happened to catch this comment on my good friend Tracy's Facebook page, and Tracy made the comment that, you know, I ran in the 5K run for the Waterfront Warriors, and I was feeling tired, and I was feeling a little sorry for myself. And then I went to the parade, and I saw a soldier with 2 amputated legs, and it put me in perspective about feeling sorry for myself. And to me, that's what the Waterfront Warriors is all about. What they do for the soldiers, the fact that there's so many great things in the community. It's great. And Tracy, you were there at the parade Sunday for the Waterfront Warriors, and you ran in the 5K race. Just so great to be involved. And talk about the Waterfront Warriors.
Yeah, I actually got involved with the Waterfront Warriors through the show here. I knitted one of the blankets that go out to the soldiers, and I hope whichever soldier gets it loves it. I put a lot of love and time into it, and I'm looking forward to doing it again next year. And of course that kind of progressed, and then I found out about the parade, and I started volunteering more for the organization. And of course, you know, after quitting smoking, I needed a hobby, so I started doing triathlons. But I do 5Ks and such now, and then I heard about the 5K, so let me run out and let me go out and run the 5K. It's $25 to get in. The proceeds, of course, go to the Waterfront Warriors, help them bring the soldiers here. And it was hot in the morning. It was over 90 degrees by 8 a.m. when we started. There were 500 runners roughly. I finished like 391st, but I finished. It was brutally hot. And like how he was saying, my legs the next day, I was very sore and very tired. But then there was this young man, probably early 20s, 22 if he was a minute, and he had 2 prosthetic legs. And I said, well, who am I to complain about the fact that my legs are sore? And you know, be sure to thank a soldier for what they do for everything. And if you go even on Facebook, there are pictures of the soldiers now. They were out on the beach with their surfing lessons today, having a wonderful time, a lot of big smiles. And it's just so nice that the Waterfront Warriors are able to bring these soldiers here and to give them some time to recuperate and have a nice vacation with their family, and I'm very happy to be a part of that.
Right. Very well said, Tracy, and you really captured. It was a great, the parade was great, and Shines, one of our great sponsors, been here in Long Beach 99 years, had a great barbecue, free hot dogs, hamburgers. Everyone had a great time, so it was just a wonderful event. Typical for Long Beach, they really stepped it up. Right now, you know, we always say Long Beach is the place to live, and no one knows that better, and can give you all the latest rentals and co-ops and condos, houses, than my good friend David Kasner, whose pictures are all over boardwalks, all over the bus stops, all over Long Beach. So take it away, David. What hot properties do we have this week in the Long Beach Real Estate Report?